Hello guys, this is Emily. A few days ago, my mom passed away. After she passed, my dad got remarried. My stepmom doesn't like me, so my dad left me here in this jungle. Now I'm going to show you how I survive here, and how I build myself a shelter. The weather here isn't very nice. It's raining. This tree looks like a good spot to make a home. Let's try it. Keep watching. First, I put a wooden piece on top of this half-broken wall, then I cover it with mud. After that, I place stones on top of the mud. After putting several stones, it looks like this. On the top, I'm making a small window shape and adding stones and mud there as well. Inside, the ground is all muddy and wet, almost like a sewer. So I'm laying stones here to make it suitable for sitting and sleeping. After doing so much work, I'm tired. Time to take a little rest. Now I've come to the pond to collect small stones. I'm placing them in front of the door. There are a lot now. I'm arranging them nicely and evenly. That's done. I also need to put some stones inside the house. I'm filling up this area so it's like a bed. Now I need some tree branches. These will work. I'm cutting them nicely. Using them, I'm making a comfortable bed. Perfect. I can lie down properly now. Next, I'm placing the small stones nicely on the sitting area, pressing them down firmly. I just brought some big branches. I'm cutting them to the right size, and with them, I'm building a small roof over the door so the rain doesn't fall inside. I'm tying them up tightly. Cutting off the extra pieces and putting them aside for later use. Now I'm covering the top of the house so rainwater can't come inside. The roof looks nice and strong now. I even put a plastic sheet on top. Then placed some iron bars to make it sturdy. I'm covering the roof with mud to make it waterproof. Using some stones, I'm making a stove for cooking. I washed the fruits, and I brought some meat from home, so I'm going to cook that. I added the right amount of spices, and now I'm cooking the meat over the fire. It's ready. After working so hard all day, I'm enjoying this delicious meal. It's evening now. I go inside my little house, drink some water, and get ready to sleep. Guys, what do you think? If my dad comes to pick me up tomorrow, should I go with him or stay here in this jungle? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.